For a long time, I wanted to improve my English, but I kept making the same mistake. I depended on motivation. Some days I studied, some days I didn't, and progress was slow. Then I realized something important. Language learning is not about motivation, it's about systems. So I built a simple structure for myself, a daily system. First, input. Every day I listen to English, podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews. Not just passively, I focus on pronunciation, on sentence patterns, on how people actually speak. Second, output. I practice speaking even if it feels uncomfortable. Sometimes I record my voice, sometimes I repeat sentences. The goal is simple: turn passive knowledge into active ability. Third, vocabulary, not random words. Useful words. Words I see repeatedly. Words I can actually use in conversation. I write them down and I review them later. Fourth, consistency. I don't study for 5 hours one day and then quit for a week. Instead, I study a little every single day. Because language improves through repetition, not intensity, and something interesting happens over time. You start thinking in English, you start responding faster, you stop translating in your head. That's when progress becomes real. I'm still learning, I'm still improving. But now I'm not relying on motivation. I'm following a system, and systems always compound.